This video, I will share with you how to mark a booking order as paid in HostSinger website builder appointment system. This is a website built using HostSinger website builder, and for a previous tutorial, I've placed a booking order or an appointment on this online store. And in this video, I will share with you how to mark it as a paid order. First, log in to your HostSinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to know which website is this one, I will search using the website URL. This is the website. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight to the store management area. Now click on Orders. Then click on the order you want to mark as paid. From this order details page, just scroll down to the bottom and below payment info, click on mark as paid. If you received payment, mark this order as paid. Mark this order as paid. Mark as paid. And just like that, your order has the paid status. Let's go back to the orders page, refresh it. And as you can see, next to the same order, now the payment status is paid. And this is how to mark an booking or an appointment order in HostSinger Builder as paid. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.